Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we'll talk about, in the story of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam, his marriage to Khadija radiyallahu anha. Even as a young man, Prophet Muhammad had to work hard to earn a living. He looked after other people's goats, and later on, he developed experience in trading. His truthfulness, honesty, pleasant ways, and hard work made him a successful trader. These qualities were given to him by Almighty Allah. He was respected throughout the land. People used to call him Sadiq, meaning a person who is very upright and true, and Amin, the trustworthy. At one time, the Quraysh decided to rebuild the Kaaba, to reset the stones above the foundation. In one of the corners, they wanted to put the black stone, but could not decide who should have honor of placing it there. They would have quarreled violently if the young man they all admired and trusted had not come by. They asked Muhammad to settle the dispute. He told them to spread a large cloak and place the black stone in the middle. They did so. Then he asked a man from each of the 4 clans who were in dispute to take hold of a corner of the cloak. In this way, they all shared the honor of carrying the stone. When they reached the place where it was to be put, Prophet Muhammad himself took the stone and set it in the wall. This incident shows clearly how much he was respected and admired for his justice and wisdom. Among those who came to know of the Prophet's reputation was a rich widow named Khadija, who belonged to a merchant's family. Through some friends, she approached Prophet Muhammad, who agreed to handle her business affairs. Within a year of taking over Khadija's business, Prophet Muhammad had gathered together her goods for trade and set off on the journey to Syria. Khadija had a servant named Maysara, in whom she had great confidence. She sent him along to serve Prophet Muhammad and help with the business. Prophet Muhammad, whom Allah had endowed with high principles and honesty, did not require any supervision. However, he was able to earn more than 3 times the expected profit on Khadija's goods. He showed such trustworthiness and kindness that on returning to Makkah, Maysara spoke very highly of him to Khadija. Khadija radiyallahu anha was so impressed by the account of Prophet Muhammad, which her trusted servant Maysara gave to her, that through some friends she put her proposal of marriage to him. The Prophet accepted Khadija's proposal and they were married. Khadija was 40 years old at this time and Prophet Muhammad was 25. Their marriage was a happy one, and they were blessed with many children. They were respected throughout the community for their secure family life and their readiness to help others. As the years passed by, Prophet Muhammad began to think more and more about his Creator, Allah. As his devotion to Allah increased, he spent much of his time remembering Him in the cave of Hira, on a mountain near Makkah. He usually took food with him to the cave, but sometimes when he was away from his house for a long time, Khadija would send food to him. Now, let me ask you a few questions to see if you remember what we learned today. Question number 1. What are the qualities of a good trader? Question number 2. What is meant by Sadiq and Amin? Question number 3. Why did Khadija ask Prophet Muhammad to handle her business affairs? Question number 4. At the time of their marriage, what was Khadija's age and how old was Prophet Muhammad? Question number 5. Why did Khadija propose marriage to Prophet Muhammad? Question number 6. Why did Prophet Muhammad go to the cave of Hira? Question number 7. Where was the cave of Hira? Take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next lesson. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.